I started by measuring all of the balusters so that we could cut them down to the correct height. This is pretty typical for most iron balusters. They come at a standard length and then you cut them down to the size that you want for your specific project. I clamped my balusters in place and then used my angle grinder with the metal blade to cut the balusters down to size. Then I carefully removed the tape and used a metal file to file down any rough edges. Now we're going to install the hardware, the little insert that goes inside the dowel. Then we're going to hammer it in. See how that's in there? Double-sided screw. It said that you should put the screw in the floor first, but like that just doesn't really make sense. Oh fuck. Oh no. That like went in there. Ooh, what do I do? What do I do? Pause. Haha. I saved it. These are vice grips. Locked in place. What in the damn hell? Hold on one more second. All right, I found a solution. Got this clamp, got my vice grips. Get it on there. I hope this works. It worked. Feel good about that. It kind of like expanded the hardware, so it's fitting a little better. Now we got our baluster with our hardware at the end. Let's start with this one. Let's make sure we're plumb pretty good. It became increasingly more difficult to screw in the balusters by hand, so I started using my vice grips, and that saved me a lot of work. Yay, no more baby gate railing.